Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today is for me a very special unboxing. I'm just going to cut straight to the chase. It's something that went on sale. It was raffle only, certain stores. Unfortunately, I didn't get to get one on the original raffle, which is an absolute shame, but I managed to pick up a really good one, a really good, well-priced version of this on Depop, courtesy of a retailer on online seller called 80's. So thanks very much to those guys. It was immaculate when it turned up. It was absolutely really well posted. More than happy to buy from them again. That's my plug. It isn't gifted, it is bought. And it is the Adidas Superstar 80's, a bathing ape collaboration. Obviously I'm going to unbox it, but I wanted to show you the box first. How amazing. It's just an awesome box. I love the camouflage effect. Obviously this is reflected on the shoes as well. It's a really chunky, solid box, which is obviously why it's kind of turned up in fantastic condition. As you can see, you've got the bathing ape kind of logo kind of patterned into the camouflage, and obviously that's reflected on the shoes as well. The iconic three stripe design in the trefoil on the soil on the side there with the bathing ape kind of logo. Obviously fully authentic. More than happy to say, size 9, as I always get with my Superstars, and they always fit. Even the leather ones, which can sometimes be quite snug, always fit fine. So I always go for a size 9 with Adidas Superstars. It's, you know, that pattern is all the way around. Absolutely fantastic. Really nice kind of on a shelf as well. Oddly enough for a box. Obviously I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm just going to quickly switch this off, turn it around, open it up so you can see all the details on the shoe. Brilliant. Hold on. 2 seconds. Okay, so here we have it. Obviously it doesn't open up, it's a lid. There we go. Now I am, as you can see, wearing gloves. My hands are absolutely wrecked from working outdoors in the garden, being at the gym, things like that. They're absolutely shredded, so I am just wearing gloves because they do not need to be on camera. So nice to see, spare set of laces. As you can see, I haven't actually worn these yet. Spare set of laces, black, corresponding black. I think I'll stick with the white. I do really like kind of white laces on a Superstar. Shell toe design. You can see the BAPE kind of logo on the metal there. Gold effect is carried up to the tongue, as you can see. Bathing ape logo on the side there. Now I know that the other shoe is going to be patterned differently. So as you can see on the, this is the right foot. You've got obviously on the right hand side, you've got your bathing ape kind of embossed, kind of reflective metallic gold lettering with that shooting star effect, and obviously you've got the 3-star effect on there as well. Plus, like I say, as I knew it would be, that bathing ape kind of logo wrapped round with the camouflage effect. Now I remember years ago having a pair of Vans Super Skate high tops which had a very similar, though slightly darker camouflage effect, and camouflage is not for everybody. It obviously depends on how comfortable you are wearing. It's something that kind of does stand, oddly enough, the camouflage stands out a bit more. There you got your Babe star on the back there. Really nice bit of stitch in there. That is fantastic. Really good to look at. I love the Superstars kind of profile. I'll never get sick of it, and I'm really happy to kind of pick these up. So thanks to again once again to Edgy Garments for for a really good kind of process and a really good, and I'm really happy with the sale. Nothing different on the bottom, as you'd expect. The kind of standard kind of grippy sole there. Oddly enough, very, very grippy for a flat shoe. I always find these quite grippy in certain conditions. Not fantastic when they're wet, let's be honest. That's just my feeling, but thankfully they are leather, so this should hold the water out quite well. I am going to get the other shoe because I know the design is going to be different on that. Yeah, so now obviously these ones, this is the one I've tried on, hence why the lace is untied. Now, as you can see, on the right side of the shoe, on the left foot, the shooting star. So when you're wearing the shoes together, and I'll show you them here, you've got shooting star on one side, 3 stripes on the other. So whichever way you're looking at it, you know what you're wearing. Obviously, you've got the BAPE on the metal there as well. Now I know this is different because this is the classic kind of really nice kind of gold effect on the Adidas kind of logo there on the tongue. Which obviously, when you've got your tongue, when your lace is tied, you're not going to see it anyway. But it's still really, really cool. And again, on the back, it's different. You've got the kind of classic trefoil kind of logo there as well. Again, really nice stitching. Patterned all the way around again. By the looks of it, the pattern's ever so slightly different on each shoe as well. So, you know, the shoes are quite slightly different to each other. Again, inside, different logo on each one. And if you're looking, obviously on the laces, the detailing, the detail is fantastic. The amount of thought that's kind of gone into this is amazing. You've got a bathing ape on the on each on the lace ends, and you've also got it in, which looks like Japanese. I could be wrong. If anybody wants to correct me, feel free. Japanese or kanji script, something like that. Slightly, you know, it's just so much thought's gone into it. It's amazing. If I'm right as well, on the inside, you've got a bathing ape tag. All that kind of authenticity, and if you ever were kind of looking to resell, which I'm not. Again, you've got on the corresponding side, instead of a bathing ape, you've got the embossed gold metallic Adidas Superstar logo. Obviously, grips are the same. I love it. I love them. Absolutely spot on. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, I'm going to pop that on there as well, because you know what? I'm happy to plug someone who does me right. Edgy Garms card. Not bought. Sorry, absolutely bought. Not gifted. Paid for in full. But you know what? Shout outs where shout outs are due. It was really good service. I always liked the Superstar boxes as well, because look, as you would expect on a limited edition box or a special edition box, you've got the technical drawing of the shell toes. I can't say enough about these shoes. I can't gush about them too much, or enough, I should say. They are absolutely spot on, absolutely fantastic, and they will be worn. They are limited, but they will be worn. Because I feel like I probably could wear them with most things, but they will be worn. Shoes like this need to be showed off, to be shown off, I should say. Sorry, pardon my awful grammar. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. I've got new stuff incoming. Some really good kind of pickups from a couple of surprise pickups from Nike. which obviously I'll be doing reviews, unboxings for. There's going to be some actual reviews coming on as well, not just unboxings. So keep an eye out for those if you're kind of into on the foot reviews. But otherwise, thanks very much for watching. I hope everyone is staying safe and enjoying themselves, and where allowed, making the time and kind of seeing friends and family. Let's make the most of the freedom that we've got. Have a nice day. As ever, thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment away. More than happy to reply. Even for the people who like my furniture. But otherwise, thanks very much again. See you later.